Let me show you a simple and safe way to hollow out this bowl. Look at the chips flying out of there. Oh, that tool cuts so good. It's the simple 90-degree detailer mounted in the simple hollowing system. And here we've kind of turned time back to the beginning of the process. This pointed tool pierces right into the workpiece and it just cuts like crazy. It's really sturdy and stout. It's all stainless steel and it's American made right here in Ramsey, Minnesota. You can work the point across the face of the bowl if you want, or you can just plunge right in and remove lots of material really fast. It cuts so good that I'm cutting the full cutter width. The chips just come flying out of there again. You can hollow a bowl up to 9 inches deep with our standard full-size tools, or 13 inches deep if you use the 16-inch long shear cutter. So here I'm just coming down the wall, kind of finishing the roughing process. Now to smooth the wall, we can't use that pointed tool anymore. We got to go to a STH, the simple turner and hollower, which has a round cutter on it. That'll let me smooth the inside of the wall and even across the bottom. Completely done. Hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, would you? We really appreciate it.